GM and welcome to a new video. As you can see here, Abstract is actually launching, and not in one day, but today. It's launching in a couple of hours. We actually don't know the exact time, but in this video I wanted to go through the most important stuff before the mainnet actually launches. I will do another update tomorrow and go through the interface of the different of the website, how to actually log in and all that kind of stuff. But I wanted to show a few things before this actually launches. And this is what I wanted to start with. Be super careful because there's already so many scams out there. I've seen in a couple of groups and discords some links from people asking if this is the correct link to actually set up your account, and it's not live yet. Those are all scammers and fake accounts. Quadruple check if you're actually checking the real X account, Abstract chain, and if you are on the correct link. People will fake this. There will be, for example, here they will put a small L instead of the I in here, so you don't really see that it's actually a fake account. So be super careful. As always, I will put all the links down in the description as well. About the launch, as we can see in this here, as I said, all the links down in the description so you can read through it in detail. But actually the launch will be a bit different because you don't need to add your RPC to your browser wallet, bridge funds, and then start buying tokens. With Abstract, as they say it, we've built a portal that serves as your home for everything on-chain. This portal will be your first steps into anything related to Abstract. Okay, what does that mean? When you go to apps.xyz at launch time, you'll be able to log in and create an Abstract global wallet. This serves as both your portal account as well as the wallet you use for interacting with Abstract apps with AGW support. So this is what I explained in the first video of my Abstract series, that they are building this Abstract global wallet. Once you signed into the portal, which you can do then via, I think it's possible via Google, Apple, and existing wallets, a wallet management page where you can view and manage your assets. And this is where you can actually also add your existing wallets, because when we scroll down in the description, can we have multiple wallets? Yes, you can. And also, yes, we have a way to link your existing Ethereum wallets to a single AGW. Then you can see actually a discovery page with a curated set of apps built just for Abstract. Safest way is, once you're sure you're on the correct site, you set up your account, then click through the actual portal to go to the different dApps, because also for the different platforms and everything around that, there will be also lots of scams. Make sure that this will not be a fail. Also, there's a stream page, a rewards page, and we'll come to that in a second. You can see the Abstract ecosystem map here, and one of the main questions will be, okay, how do I add the funds? We don't know how it looks exactly, but you can add your existing wallets, and you will be able to then send some ETH there or USDC via a other L2 in case you have funds there. This way it will be super cheap. You will be able to do this, for example, via Jumper Exchange. It's here on trading on the Abstract ecosystem maps. This is how Jumper Exchange looks. Then you can, for example, bridge it from Arbitrum to Abstract chain. Relay is on there, which is another one. You could bridge it from Mainnet, but also from Base, Arbitrum, whatever, wherever you have the funds on another L2, basically, or on the mainnet. There's some others on here, but just make sure to maybe in the beginning use a official bridge or one of the ones that are part of the Abstract ecosystem map, and that will have a slot in the discovery page. Just be sure, don't FOMO in. Once you have the wallets set up, you have your wallets connected, and then bridge the funds, then you should be able to start everything, and this will directly give you experience points. As I said, tomorrow in the video I will go through the actual thing once we can actually log in and do stuff in there, but in this thread here it's already explained. There's incentives for users, builders, and creators. And they also show here how they are doing this. As I said, tomorrow I will explain more in depth how actually all of this works. You can still read through this. I don't want this video to get too long before the launch. So the other thing I wanted to talk about though is that they have Abstract Live, and it's a native streaming platform, and you can actually sign up as a creator now beforehand. This is something that I will need to do right now after I recorded this video. Just make sure to record everything and get it done. And then you can actually also earn for the incentives program. So in case you're a creator, and definitely sign up. There's only limited spots. Maybe you get in. I guess that this will be worth it probably in terms of the airdrop, because talking about an airdrop, we don't know anything about an airdrop, as I explained in the last video. It seems to be the case that it's important to have the Discord roles. That probably gives you some kind of multiplier. There's been some rumors that the Pudgy Penguins don't get an allocation, but rather a multiplier for an airdrop after some time. But as I said, I will go through the incentives dashboard and everything tomorrow. So stay tuned for the next part. This was just a small overview of what to look out for when they actually launch in a couple of hours. So stay tuned for the update video that's coming tomorrow, where we will go into detail on how everything actually works, from the login to the incentives to all around the dashboard once we have access to it. So please stay safe and make sure to really check if you're on the correct page, bridging to the actual abstract mainnet, then by using only the official bridge or one of the ones that are actually on the abstract ecosystem map. Stay safe and see you tomorrow for the next mainnet update, where we will go through everything.